Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make bubble caterpillars. Here's what we need. A bottle, washing up liquid, water, a pot, a cloth, an elastic band or a sock. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take our bottle, and I've cut it in half, and we're going to be using the top of the bottle. Next, we're going to take our cloth and put it onto the bottle like so, and then use the elastic band to secure it. Okay, next we're going to add some fairy liquid into our pot. You don't need to use too much. And mix with some water until you can see that all the washing up liquid's dissolved. And then we're going to dip our bottle into the pot. And then we're going to blow into the bottle. And it creates a caterpillar. I want to see yours. Try this at home.